मीता जी को मैं पूछना चाहूंगा कि आपके पास जब कोई आता है ऐसे कुछ कुछ क्लाइंट्स या प्रॉब्लम्स लेके, आपने कभी किसी को ऐसे कुछ किताब पढ़ने के लिए बोला है जिसमें ऐसे लव या फैंटेसी नॉवेल्स या ऐसी कुछ चीजें हैं एज अ पार्ट ऑफ हीलिंग?
हाँ, डेफिनेटली बोला है. It was a very normal part of growing up for us, क्योंकि हम बहुत सारी किताबें पढ़ते थे. हमारे लिए ज्यादा इतनी सारी एक्टिविटीज नहीं थी, सोशल मीडिया तब बिल्कुल नहीं था, thankfully. And so I think reading was very very well cultivated into our existence. Like for me, books were my go-to. कभी भी कुछ भी रेफर करना हो तो books is what I would search for. And a lot of people used to read Mills and Boons अगर उनको romance में interest था. I was more about thrill and excitement, so I would read more those kind of books, like Jeffrey Archer and Sidney Sheldon is one of my favorite authors. So these are all the books that we used to read. So हाँ, मैंने कई अपने clients को ऐसा बोला है, and कुछ specific books उनको दी है depending on what they are struggling with. Because there's also a book by Gary Chapman which is on the love languages, right? And this book is also very very useful for a lot of couples, क्योंकि basic चीजें ही लोगों को नहीं पता होती है कि where they are lacking. The book speaks about such simple things, right? The 5 things which make a relationship work, and उसके बारे में भी लोग नहीं जानते हैं. तो कई बार वो book पढ़ने से उनको थोड़े से insights मिल जाते हैं. Even I mean, 50,000 and 1 lakh is like a very small number in a country like India.
Yeah.
And that's all it takes for it to become a bestseller. So,
More about sexual conversation about other questions.
it's a safe space. Exactly. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
you would never tell us, don't do this or don't do that. Do it. You like it, do it. Push your boundaries. It's up to you. If it's no, it's no. You don't want to know it, don't do it. It's up to you. You don't have to be ashamed that you want something. If the other person doesn't want, okay, somebody else will want. Move out.
Exactly. So that's the way it is, and it's a taboo subject, so to say, and that's what I keep hearing every time. And every time when I say, okay,